Hello, what's up, my people? How na dey? I don't carry another better update carry come. Now, you get one new app like that one I start to the taste recently. I don't go call am recently, sha, but I just started the taste them, and based on waiting I dey see like this, I feel like man, I need to come talk about this particular app because this app, the way the app they go, it be like say the thing go make sense where. So now waiting carry me come here today, now be that this particular app wey they call Hifami. Hifami, I think now the name be that. Okay, Hifami. Yes, now the name be that. So you get plenty things where I don't see for this app where be like say it go make sense where. So I just feel like come on, make I just come here and share. And I know see me, I know they hide updates. And if you see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. What I do be say I drop different updates. If you want to call update for my hand, make sure you like the video, share the video, and subscribe so that anytime I drop new updates, they go notify you. And I beg make you know say this one no be financial advice. Me I no be financial advisor. And I just want app like that what they use where the team be like say go make some more sense. I just say make I come here come talk about them to my community. And make you don't forget to comment happy new month for comment section and comment where they watch this video from for comment section. I go really appreciate. Today we go talk about what team be Hifami. We go talk about some of their features. I go share my opinion, you know, on what they do and now. Then I go give them the pros and cons, and I go give them my ratings. And again, why I go give them my ratings today? Don't worry, you go see the reason why I go give them my ratings today. All right, so the first question, waiting be Hifami. Waiting be Hifami. Now, plenty people fit get different definition about this app because the app get plenty things, you understand, you get plenty things where if you do. But if I want to summarize them, I fit call them a social app. I call them social app because they get plenty features where they related to social, and I go explain them later. So now so I go call them Hifami, na social app. So what thing where they all about? So like I said, they get different things where they talk say if you do for this their app. Yeah, then number one, they talk say if you they use them as a normal social app. If you chat with people, you know, make new friends, international friends. If you join chat room, now inside that chat room, you and other people if you compete for tournaments and all those kind game them gonna go just the fun games like that one. If you just they do fun, if you come here just they use the stuff for fun, you understand? But then get another monetizable features where they talk say if you come here come they do this their farm work, you know, this their artificial farm work, make it they collect, then get all these small things here, then get affiliate program, then get plenty things where they this particular app right there. Their features plenty where so like me personally now today I just started to use this app. I'm not gonna lie on that. So I woke up 4 o'clock today, I installed the app. So somebody been tell me about this app, so I can't forget about them. So I wake up 4 o'clock today, I installed the app. I just say make I check them out. So as I install the app, I just they go through the app. I don't really understand where, but just they go through the app, they check some kind things. Now I can't notice say person if you just send you friend request, say make una chat, they get within they call family and so on and so forth. They get plenty things here, and if you use all these things, make it they collect. If you join family, from that family you go if you join their chat room and so on and so forth. You go see people away from Nigeria with people we know from Nigeria. Then I notice be say they get different kind of coins. Then get their main coin, and then get gold, then can get I think diamond. They can get diamond. And diamond, so you feel come out this their diamond. So your earnings, if you get minimum withdrawal, it go reflect as a diamond for this particular update, and they can get their normal points, and they can get their own coin. Now, according to what they talk if you put small thing, make you take and get plenty of this their coin, and now this their coin or if you use the enter all this tournament with people and so on and so forth. And according to what me I see here, like I said, I just started to use the update today. I still try understand them very well. So if I still understand them and then I can notice some kind things later, I go still can do another review about this particular update. This one will be tutorial. This one a review I can here to can do it. If you enter person invite code according to waiting at the see here, they say you go collect, you understand, they say you go collect, and that thing where you go collect, so you feel come out instantly. Now that ain't shock me, so I can't try as I can't try I can't come out small thing for the update. It shocked me now 150 naira 150 naira, 150 naira. As I just open this stuff, I just do one or two. I don't even know what they do. I just they touch. They say click here, click there, I click. I just see 150 for my this thing. So as I say, make I see whether this one go make sense. I just can't go click their diamond. They say make I put account. I can't put account. I can't click withdraw. Then after few minutes, like 3 minutes, OP alert me say small thing don't enter. Go check the 150 don't enter. I'm like, wow, this is incredible. I don't really do plenty stuff for the update. So now waiting I notice with that. So I come out small thing for the update. You understand? I just say my account tell on I don't come out small thing. Now, what be the pros and cons for this update? Well, the first pro be say the platform then did truthful. Because at least I don't come out small thing for the update, which means the update they active. That's number one. And the second pro now can be say social platform where if you make friends. Another pro now can be say platform where if you use entertain yourself. If you just want to entertain yourself, then now another pro about them be say then get plenty features for this particular update. Now another pro way I like about them now be that now another pro I can't like that be say the platform they work locally, we mean say all of now we like OP people. All those people we like OP updates. If you use OP, come on your small thing for this particular update, then go send and put for your account. You understand? Another thing I like about the platform be say their minimum withdrawal threshold no big. They very very small. Now 150 naira come out to for the first time, but maybe later the fee can go to increase them later. But as I start, waiting I come on at 150 so then get low withdrawal threshold. Now waiting be some of the cons, some of the things where I don't like about this platform. Number one, it is very complicated. So if you be beginner, if you be new person, this thing will confuse you. It is very very complicated. So it will take you like 2-3 days or 1 week for you to understand. You need to come here every day for 1 week so that you go understand the platform very well. If not, the thing go they confuse you well. Now another thing to come be say you need to put small thing later if you want to collect those their coins, because if you don't put small thing, you don't go get those coins. And if you don't get those coins, you get some kind of tournaments, then where you don't go fit join those tournaments because you don't get that coin. So you need to come put small thing according to them for you to get a premium account. But as a day like this one now no be premium account why they use. So this one I never put anything yet, but I dey plan to put something later, and your earnings they limited if you no put small thing for this particular platform. Still they go through the app, I still they try understand them properly. If I understand them well, I go come let you know say see waiting day. Now if I want to rate this app, I don't come out small thing. I never put anything. Their withdrawal threshold they low, and so far if say the thing go make sense. If I want to rate the app from 1 to 10, I will give them 7/10. I will give them 7/10 because if you come on something for your OP, their minimum withdrawal I don't come on now at 150. And also as a day like this, I don't put anything. I come out that thing, I don't put anything. So now make me give them 7/10. But if they can't go change later, like what did they call those other people, Gem Gala? This platform say we can't do like Gem Gala. If they can't go change later in the future, I go still come here, can't do video tell you and say make una stay clear because some of them go make sense now, and go make sense later. So I still they study them to see how it is. But any idea I go let you know later.